everyone, I am Bhakti Kothari and you're watching Indian Masterminds. Today, I am taking you through the incredible life and career of an administrator who blends ground realities with big game-changing ideas. Manoj Ahuja. Trust me, by the end of the story, you will see why his name matters to every Indian who believes in smart, tech-driven governance. Born on 24 December 1964, Manoj Ahuja grew up with an appetite for learning that shaped everything to come. First stop, mechanical engineering at Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology, Patiala. Next, an MBA from Punjab University, Chandigarh. And then a leap across the globe to the Harvard Kennedy School for Masters in Public Administration in International Development. Engineering precision, managerial thinking, and global exposure. This combo became a secret weapon for solving India's toughest problems. In 1990, Ahuja joined the Indian Administrative Service in the Odisha cadre. And where does every IS officer truly learn governance? At the grassroots. He started as sub-collector in Dharamgarh, Kalahandi, then collector and district magistrate of Khurda. Imagine facing rural poverty, agricultural struggles, and rapid urban expansion around Bhubaneswar all at once. Those early years taught him to solve problems not just with theory but with practical on-the-ground action. Through the 2000s and 2010s, Ahuja held positions that touched every nerve center of Odisha's administration. Commissioner Commercial Taxes during the crucial VAT and GST transitions, and then Principal Secretary in Steel and Mines, Sports and Youth Services Corporation, and Food Supplies and Consumer Welfare. He learned how to balance revenue generation with public welfare, keeping efficiency and fairness hand in hand. In 2017, he moved to the iconic Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration in Mussoorie as Joint Director and later Special Director. For 3 years, Manoj Ahuja shaped the next generation of IS officers, guiding them through foundation and mid-career programs, mixing discipline with encouragement. Future administrators still talk about his unique style of mentorship. Then came May 2020. The world was battling COVID-19, schools were shut and exams were uncertain. As chairman of the Central Board of Secondary Education, Ahuja had to act fast. He accelerated competency-based assessments, set learning standards for classes 6 to 10, and prepared handbooks for principals and school leaders. Even in a crisis, he kept education reform moving forward. In April 2022, he became Secretary, Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. And here's where things got seriously innovative. Digital public infrastructure for agriculture, AgriStack, giving farmers digital identities linked to credit insurance and advisories. Digital crop survey to collect accurate field level data. A national digital extension platform training over 2 lakh extension workers in multiple languages. Expansion of ENAM, the National Agricultural Market. Strong push for climate resilient seeds and new cropping strategies. And yes, the global celebration of 2023 as the International Year of Millets, promoting our own Shri Anna worldwide. This was India's farming future. Data-driven, tech-enabled, farmer-focused. June 2024 marked a turning point. After decades at the state and national level, Manoj Ahuja returned to Odisha. On 1st July 2024, he took charge as the 46th Chief Secretary of Odisha, also handling the General Administration and Public Grievances Department. Odisha hadn't seen a Chief Secretary from outside the state in nearly 20 years. His appointment meant sharper efficiency, stronger grievance redressal, and seamless integration of digital systems into state governance. What really defines him? It's not flashy headlines, it's the system he builds. From CBSE reforms to digital agriculture to mining administration, his focus is always on creating frameworks that outlast his own tenure. Today, as Odisha's Chief Secretary, Manoj Ahuja carries the weight of 3 decades of public service and the clarity of a long-term vision. From the fields of Kalahandi to the halls of Harvard, from mentoring future IAS officers to digitizing Indian agriculture, his journey proves one thing: smart governance is about connecting ground reality with bold ideas. I am Bhakti Kothari and you're watching Indian Masterminds. If Manoj Ahuja's story inspired you as much as it inspired me, hit that like button, share this video, and do not forget to subscribe for more stories of India's unsung administrators shaping our nation's future. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.